Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be very exciting because I want to color my hair, guys. I am excited and scared at the same time, if that makes any sense. So I got this Loreal Hicolor Hilights. Apparently it's really good for dark hair. But before we go into that, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. My name is Mimi and I blog about natural hair, lifestyle and food. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Loreal Hicolor Hilights. So as you can see, they say here is for dark hair only. So apparently this hair penetrates strands of black hair very easily and colors it. And the best part about it is that you do not need to bleach your hair because it is very soft, and so that makes it very good for natural hair. Perfect, right? So I'm going to be using 3 of these. This is red, this is magenta, and this is red. So I'm going to be using 2 red and 1 magenta. This is a lot, I know, but I mean, look at my hair. My hair is really full. I literally have like a natural afro on my head. So I'm going to be using these 3. And I have everything I need here. You need the 30 volume, cream developer. I'm going to be using this one. So the way it works is this: you use check the size of this and use double of this. So 1:2, if that makes any sense. So this is 1.2 ounces. So 1.2 into 3 is 3.6 ounces. So it means that since this is 3.6 ounces, we are going to be using 7.2 ounces of this one. So 1:2. So I'm going to squeeze out the dye into this bowl. So this is my mixing bowl. I'm going to be using this mixing bowl. Make sure you use something that is non-metal, so plastic is preferable. I'm going to be squeezing everything into this bowl. And then to measure 7 ounces of this accurately, I'm going to be using this applicator bottle. So as you can see, it's already nicely measured for me. So I'm going to follow the measurement here and get out 7.2 ounces. Pour this into that and then pour it into the mixing bowl. Mix, and my darling friends here are going to help me apply the dye on my hair. So I have threading. I'm going to loosen my thread now, and we are going to start to color my hair. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yay, I'm so excited. Let's start. Oh my gosh, guys, I am finally done after like 40 minutes of applying this dye. I am finally done. So what I'm going to do now is to put on my shower cap for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to wash off this dye, and then we're going to have the big reveal. Fingers crossed.
So what does it do?
What's up, guys? I am back from rinsing off the dye of my hair. I promise I've not even looked into the mirror because I want this. So this is going to be like the grand reveal. We're all going to see what my hair looks like together. So I can see the color already. So this edge, this side did not take the color because I had to use Vaseline on my edges to make sure my skin doesn't get stained with the dye. So I guess that prevented this part of my hair from taking the dye. So now let's see what this looks like. Drum roll, please. Oh! 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 I look like a freaking strawberry. Jesus. Oh my. Oh my god, this is so red. But I don't think it's so bad though. I don't think it's so bad, guys. What do you think? Okay, so I'm just going to go and deep condition my hair now and style it. Let's see what it looks like after I style it. But this is really red. This is like, oh my god. But it's not so bad actually. It's not ridiculous. I don't think it's so bad. But I love the color. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go deep condition my hair, and I will let you know what my hair looks like once I'm done styling. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, comment, share.